The integrating process of turning and milling in one advanced machine enables the bead keep consistent specification and quality. The power bead is made of S2 alloy steel. The big torque is a core requirement on quality for most customers, which concerns lifetime of the power bead tightly. Now let's see the torque curve on the computer. The precision of the power bead is very high, which ensures the bead meet the standard screw tightly. Strongly magnetic tip, 5 power beads could easily attract together and keep in line. Oh my god, finally 6 power beads keep in line. Let's measure the steel plate at first. The thickness is 4.65 mm. Then we try to penetrate it with the power bead. The power bead is made of a premium-grade material with high precision, which ensures good performance and penetrating ability and long life using. One piece of a Jianghua brand product equals to 10 pieces of other brand products. We believe Jianghua products